Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Nomadelic Active 650 Bluetooth wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset if they are not pairing or they're not connecting to Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or you're having any kind of other troubleshooting issues. A lot of this can be fixed with a hard reset and it's quite easy to do. So once you do this, you will need to repair them with your device. But anyways, we can go ahead and proceed. All you need to do is take them out of the case like so and turn them off. And once you turn them off, you can come in and press and hold the multifunction button on the back of each earbud simultaneously for 10 seconds. You'll just keep holding for 10 seconds. Once that happens, you will notice that the LED light will come on white for 3 solid seconds. And then once that happens, you can let go, put them back in the case, take them out of the case, and then repair them with whatever device you like as a new set of headphones.